take some pictures of this thing, shouldn't he? Yeah, while he's doing it, if people want to see what we've done, you know. And they want to see all the thing we've done to it.
Where's that part we could put on there?
Yeah, it goes like that right there. Bring it around like that.
It'll be a lot of work, isn't it?
Well, it's a lot of experience. I'd really be doing this sitting here watching TV, you know?
Yep.
At least we're doing something here that's worth something, and same about it. Something's gonna be worth the money it's done. You know?
Well, that's true.
Yeah, this thing right here, talking about lots of. I'm gonna go ahead and drill that. Get down there with my grinder and find my spots. You can hold the light there and see if I can see them. They spot one of them from the inside. And they got that screwdriver I had. I even lay it back up here, that crooked screwdriver.
Hang on
Right there. Loose, that'd probably be enough, wouldn't it? Yeah, and we come back and weld this, raise this whole thing down, can't we? Yeah. What I should have done is stood this thing up on its end. It was getting too tall to work on.